As the question says, figure shows the graph of the x coordinate of a particle going along the x-axis as a function of time. Find the average velocity during 0 to 10 seconds and the instantaneous velocity at 2, 5, 8 and 12 seconds. Now let us proceed with the A part of this question. So here we need to find the average velocity. And what is average velocity? This is total displacement upon total time in 0 to 10 seconds. 0 is here and 10 is over here. And you can see the total distance to be traveled up to here is this much, that is 100 meters. And so this is 100 and the time being 10 seconds, giving me the average velocity to be 10 meters per second. Proceeding to the second part of this question, that is instantaneous velocity. Now we all know that the instantaneous velocity is ds by dt, or we can say the slope of x versus t curve. So let us find out on this concept the instantaneous velocity at t equals to 2 seconds. Now we can see that at t equal to 2 seconds, the particle is following this curve. So we need to find the slope of this straight line. So let us do the same. This comes out to be height, which is 50 upon this x, which is 2.5 for this line, giving us 20 meters per second. Now let us talk about the instantaneous velocity at time equals to 5 seconds. Now we can see that at 5 seconds time, the particle is following this curve, and here there is no change in velocity, so height is 0 upon some time, giving us the velocity of 0. Now let us deal with the instantaneous velocity at time t equal to 8 seconds. Now we can see that at 8 seconds the particle is following this curve. So we need to find the slope of this straight line, which will be again the height upon base. So that is 50 upon 2.5, giving us 20 meters per second. Now let us move to the last part of this question, which is the instantaneous velocity at time equal to 12 seconds. Now friends, you can see from the graph that at t equal to 12 seconds, the particle is following this curve, that is this straight line. So we need to find out the slope of this straight line, which will be negative times the height, which is 100, and the base, which is 5, because 10 to 15 is 5, giving us the velocity of minus 20 meters per second. So we have found out the average velocity to be this, and the instantaneous velocity at 2, 5, 8 and 12 seconds as per the question.